Are you a small business owner tired of wasting precious time on mundane tasks, only to see your profits dwindle? In 2026, artificial intelligence, AI, has become an essential tool for entrepreneurs to streamline their operations, boost efficiency, and drive revenue. As AI continues to advance, it's no longer a luxury for big corporations. It's a necessity for small business owners who want to stay competitive. The question is, which AI tools should you use to make the most impact? Let's dive into the top AI tools that can help small business owners like you save time and increase profits. First up, we have Jasper AI. This AI writing tool helps you create engaging content in minutes, freeing up your time to focus on high-leverage tasks. With Jasper, you can generate social media posts, product descriptions, and even entire blog articles. I recently used Jasper to create a social media campaign for a small e-commerce store, and it resulted in a 25% increase